Good day, guys. This is your boy QTPJ Sultan. I'm back again with another video of gold. So, on this video, I'm going to explain what is it that has currently happened since today. It's Tuesday, on the 3rd of September. It's a new week. So, one thing that we are currently waiting out for is for us to prepare for NFP since it'll be on Friday. So I want us to look at gold and are trying to find ways on what is it that is going to happen in this week that we are in and what are we going to look at whenever we'll be heading to NFP. But foremost, I just want to explain on how I traded gold and on how I predicted gold on Sunday since I was doing the market preparation. As we all know, that gold has been pushing towards the upside, meaning exec we've been executing more buying opportunities than more selling opportunities, but therefore there are also selling opportunities, but there were short-term selling opportunities, but far mostly for scalpers. So I want us to look at the previous price and also look at the current price and also look at the structure since we've been heading towards the upside. Since we've been pushing towards the upside, so this is how gold has been moving. Because I remember looking at gold on Sunday, whereby it was sitting somewhere around here, whereby I've marked with my a purple color. This is where gold was sitting. So one thing that I was anticipating is that gold was gonna come and drop till to this level, and yes, it did. Because one thing that you need to know about gold is that gold repeats itself over and over and over and over. So if ever you wanna know how to master gold like attentively, so you need to look at it almost each and every time you get, and also make it a point that it becomes your main check so that you could know what is it that is happening on gold. So far so gold so gold, yes, it has already played the way I wanted it to play. So one thing that I am awaiting for is that I am awaiting for gold to push all the way to the upside, because it has came to retest this previous higher high. Let me mark it up. It came to retest this previous higher high, which was my target. So for us to know that gold is now gonna push towards the upside, we first need to get some few confirmations which will give us a head up that we are now gonna move towards the upside. So I've been looking at this at H4. This is H4. So let me dive into H1 and let me zoom out. So this is phenomenal because on H1 we have experienced a double bottom, which is another a confirmation that will give us a clear identification that gold is now gonna push towards the upside. And also I'm gonna put my trend line from the top to the bottom. So one thing that I am going to do. I'm gonna wait for gold to break out and retest, if after push all the way towards the upside. So since I have already drawn my trend line, from the top all the way to the up, all the way to the bottom, one thing that I am saying is that your first TP, it's supposed to be where you started to draw your trend line, because you started to draw it at the top, meaning your TP, it's supposed to be at this level. And the reason why I'm saying that it's supposed to be at this level, because of it may happen that the market resist to push all the way towards the upside. Probably the market can keep on ranging at this point. So when I put my Fibonacci, and the market has already broken out of my 23.6, but as we all know that we have to wait for the market to break this 50 level point, which is our golden entry point. But far most, there's this other strategy that I've recently developed in some quite a long time, that as soon as the market breaks the 23.6, you need to keep your head up and see what is it that it's going to do. So if it breaks back to the zero level and retest it, then we gotta know that no, we are now having a change in trend. So let me zoom out again and go to M15. I normally hardly don't go to M15, but in some few weeks I've been getting some opportunities on M15 and they did good. So on M15, all I can say is that there are also opportunities lying if we can use our supply and demand formation and trying to draw something like this. Gold is gonna push all the way to the up to this level. So our ATP, it's supposed to be let me use my crosshair. Our TP, it's supposed to be at 2500,67. That is going to be our target. It's your boy QTP, so I'm signing out.